Yo, G, where's the food, bruh?
Ain't no food today, baby.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
And we about to celebrate like it's the most wonderful time of the year. So I hope y'all enjoyed all the shorts leading up to this last one. You know, we did all the stuff leading up to Thanksgiving, all the stuff leading up to Christmas. But fellas, this one's for you.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is show you guys how to make my classic Bro-Quito.
Your what?
Bro-Quito.
No, Coquito.
No, it's Bro-Quito, and I'm gonna tell you why it's Bro-Quito.
Why is it Bro-Quito, my friend?
Right? Traditionally,
First of all, you win. You got no arguments.
I know I do. And you know I do too. Listen, if you do, it's only for the bros, baby. Right? It's only for the bros, right? So we're gonna do something. You know, you gotta tap that.
Tap
right?
the bottle
in. Tap that. We have very few items here that we really need to mix, right? So we have the EVAT milk, right? We have 4 cans of that. We have 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. We have the cream of cocoa. We have some cinnamon, some nutmeg. We got 2 glasses. We got some coconut, and we got the bro in the Bro-Quito, baby. Yo, G, what you got going on over here, bro? You looking real citrusy and girly. What's happening there?
No. Take it easy, fella. Right over there, you taking care of the fellas.
Right.
Taking care of the cousins. We watching football.
Right.
We do.
Well,
the next game, of course. All of that.
Right.
On Christmas Day. I got the ladies, my friend.
Okay.
I got the ladies.
Okay.
All right.
We like it.
This is a nice lemonade with rum and cranberry flavors and all of that kind of stuff.
I love it.
We're gonna call this the mistletoe. All
right. Right. We hope to get many kisses.
Oh, you stand underneath this drink, you get a kiss, baby. Don't worry about that. Don't even worry about it.
I'm just gonna start dumping ingredients into this bowl, and then we're gonna get to start mixing. So the Bro-Quito is really just a spin-off of the Coquito, which Gerard tried to correct me on, and I was having none of it. But it's really just a spin-off of the Coquito. The Coquito actually traditionally uses a rum, where I don't. I use something a little stronger, and it's more palatable to the guys. Without any liquor in it, that would be for the kids, right? So the kids would jump right into this. It's a nice sweet drink that you know, they can kind of savor. Now I'm about to dip into the sweet. So we got a lot of this going in. 2 cans of the sweetened condensed milk. This is really the core of what we do here. This demands a lot of stirring, so you're gonna see me going to work here a little bit after I get all the ingredients in. I get the can of cream of coconut, so that goes right in as well. Yeah, baby. And now I'm just gonna start whisking. Gee, while I'm whisking, what you got going on? Because you're not gonna watch me whisk all night.
Right. I actually just squeezed 5 lemons, all right, into a mason jar, and that was that. So I got my lemon juice, I got my water, just a pitcher full of water. And again, this is one of those taste drinks. This is one of those tastes. You know, you don't know exactly how your lemon, you know, is gonna taste. Is it strong? Is it weak? Whatever. But you know, when you got 5 lemons worth of juice, you're good. So I'm just gonna pour this in. All right. I got a 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're just gonna mix that up. We mix this up, right? Now, the trick with this drink is that you can actually make it in the pitcher or you can make it in the glass. This is like I said, just regular lemonade right now. You know, but what I do is I dress up the glass. All right. Now this is for the ladies. So start with. Let me see the lady part. I want to see this part. Let me show you how we do this. Let me show you how we do this.
You see, Trisha gonna like this.
So first, we drop our cranberries in.
Okay.
Cranberry juice. And in goes the mint. We don't need all that stem. All that's unnecessary. And the wonderful thing about this drink, my friend, is we can do it one way or the other. Okay. All right. The tall one is with.
Okay.
I like to add coconut rum. I don't know if you get the feeling right now or the theme, but we tend to like the flavor and taste of coconut. Just gonna make one with, one without. The kids actually love this drink too.
Sexy.
You know? And everybody doesn't want to drink, you know what I'm saying? And while we joke around, you know, everybody's getting together for the holidays, your family's there, whatever. You don't want anybody getting into trouble, getting too sauced up, trying to drive home or anything like that. So, you know, you don't go crazy. With and without.
I'm just gonna drop, to taste, some cinnamon. And we're gonna drop a little nutmeggy, just a little pinch. And we're gonna get stirring again. That's gonna be the last part of it. This is the kiddies version I'm making right now. For the kids, they love this. This drink is like perfect for them. And like I said, this is the no egg version. So, you know, those with egg allergies and all that stuff, we good.
You know, if we're all gathering, you got family over, you got friends over, you got extended family, maybe people you don't know, all that kind of stuff. Hesitate to don't put the alcohol in the actual drink that's going to be poured and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What you want to do is make sure that if someone requests something, you pour it in the glass and fill it up. You understand what I'm saying? Don't do that. Kids pick this up. Somebody who shouldn't be drinking picks this up, whatever else. And now you got a problem. People have got to drive and this and that. Whatever, you know.
You guys got to drink responsibly, right?
Yeah.
So no matter what we do here, no matter what we show, we're always very responsible. And we want to make sure you guys are too. So just a little PSA, right, from Foods and Dudes to make sure like you guys do the right thing. So I'm just gonna get this. G, gonna help me.
Yep, I'm holding it.
I'm probably not gonna pour this right, but this is alcohol free, guys.
Oops.
So, you know, it's exactly what we're talking about here. Like we really just want you guys to, you know, have a mix that doesn't have any liquor in it. Now we're cooking with gas heat right here. This is filling up nicely.
Oh.
Explosion! Basically, you just take regular granulated sugar. You just add like a teaspoon or so of water. You coat the rim, and then you just dip. Right? You just dip. That's all you're doing. This is the non-alcoholic. Alright, so this for the kiddies, right? My girls can pick up and roll, right? And have this delicious drink for them. We put in the Bro and the Keto right now.
Yeah. Right
okay,
there.
so we just gonna use that much?
What we doing?
You doing what?
What we doing?
Okay,
what we doing?
This is the real Bro.
Okay,
and the Keto.
It's the holidays, man.
Let that mix, right? You see how it's mixing? You're gonna take a cinnamon stick, and we're just gonna
stir it up.
We're just gonna
stir it up.
Stir. Fantastic, baby. That's how we do it for the holidays, folks.
That's it.
Right? Bro-Quito style, mistletoe style. That's how we do it.
Yo, whether you're naughty
or you're nice,
we got you here.
We got you on Foods and Dudes, baby.
Got you, baby. Happy holidays.
Do responsibly, my friend.
Very responsible.
Okay. Adios, mi gente.